Don't need to ask the question on who's the bigger monopoly in China. It is the CCP, baby. Don't you ever forget it. He had a big investment in one of the leading tutoring marketplaces. That thing literally just got nuked. Certainly asking a lot of soul-searching questions and certainly rethinking how and where they're going to invest. Here's a really interesting thing as it relates to China. CBInsights came out with their Q2 2021 VC report. I thought this was really interesting. This is China VC funding by quarter. You can see it peaking in Q4 of 2020, slightly declining in Q1, and then a pretty measurable decline in Q2. It's still above where the levels were, even way above where the levels were back in 2019. But when you compare this chart with how VC investing has been going in other Western countries, even South America, the United States, Europe, Southeast Asia, India, Latin America, all those charts are still going up. So what we've seen is $1 trillion in total market cap wiped off of the Chinese big tech monopolies. And, you know, talk about leveling the playing field with big tech. Don't need to ask the question on who's the bigger monopoly in China. It is the CCP, baby. Don't you ever forget it. They are wholesale just banning apps in the App Store like DD. DD is now rumored that they might go private. What? They just banned for-profit tutoring marketplaces, which another guest of ours, Fritz Demopoulos, billionaire, like co-founded the basically like Kayak Expedia of China. He had a big investment in one of the leading tutoring marketplaces. That thing literally just got nuked, literally labeled defunct. You cannot have a for-profit tutoring business in China. Many tutoring companies are essentially being forced to become nonprofits and will be banned from raising money through public listings. Yeah, they banned it altogether. Foreign investors are also barred from operating or holding stakes in such businesses, and current violators of the rule must make changes, which means you got to write down your investment, baby. They're clearly showing who's boss. It's the CCP. It's not private enterprise. It's not big tech in China. It's the CCP. We have seen as a result this decline in Chinese venture capital investing. It's still up from where it was in 2019, but relative to the rest of the world, it's declining. Whereas everyone else, it's actually increasing. It's not like the Chinese VC industry has just been eradicated, but certainly asking a lot of soul-searching questions and certainly rethinking how and where they're going to invest. And maybe they're actually trying now, because they've got so much money, to actually diversify and invest outside of China. But taking money outside of China is also a big no-no. You know, the one saving grace, I would say, about the amount of money we've printed in the United States, $10 trillion, is that China's been printing way more money than we've been printing. The rumor is that it could be 3x what we've been printing. And they've been printing it a lot longer than just, since COVID. I don't know if this instills any additional confidence, but they're running a bigger Ponzi scheme than we're running a Ponzi scheme, just for the record. And if you make a bunch of money in China, but you can't take that money out of China, did you still make a bunch of money? Or did you just get bamboozled out of your money that now has to stay in China forever? I don't know. I'll let you answer that. Hi, I'm Alex. Thanks for watching the show. Make sure to hit that subscribe button, but even better, make sure to follow us on Odyssey, follow us on Rumble, and text us 203-646-5159. Text the word Monopoly. You'll be subscribed. You'll get updates about when we're going live, our latest videos, and we'll send you even a little goodie bag. And in the event that we all get banned from big tech, we'll still be connected.